Oh my God.
She's gonna jump.
Okay, here we go. Come on, jump, please. Yeah, I got it.
Matt, you gotta get her. She's gonna drown.
I got it. Oh, I got this. Oh, this is great.
Yeah. Don't you? You're not. Did I nail it or what?
Mike, you gotta get her.
Going the other way.
Where if they caught me dead?
I can't watch anymore. Oh, I don't know. That
Oh my God. Oh, yo, did he hit the boat? No, did he hit this boat? What do you mean you don't know? Hey, did he, hold on. Did this boat get hit? Oh my God. Who yanked what? No. What happened to this boat?
Nothing.
So what happened over here?
Nothing.
You're saying something
The wave.
happened?
It was just a wave.
The guy just went over there.
He hit the black boat.
Mira conmigo. Hola. Yo. Oh my goodness.
Okay. Stop. Let's turn.
I fucking got it!
He's gonna crash into that. He's gonna crash into that.
Dorado smoked.
Are his thrusters off?
He's gonna hit
He's
this.
coming again! He's coming in!
Watch out.
Get out, get out!
somebody have a heart attack at the wheel? That is.
Well, it's dangerous to us. Should we be evacuated?
Hey, what's your name? William, come here and grab this. Put this on that fucking thing. Trust me, I've done this once or twice. I was drunk.
Oh, sorry, Martin.
You're good.
I was drunk. Okay, that's all you got. So you're never gonna make it. All right, listen. You ain't got enough rope.
Might as well tie your boat off.
Sorry, Martin.
They don't care. They just running. Oh my God! What the fuck? Right on our volleyball court. Kind of like unbuckled. Whose idea was it to go that fast?
Oh shit! He's running. The deckhand's running in. Oh my god! I got that on video. Oh shit!